Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Crity boy on this one. Don Jazzy just posted Rukky the comedian and he was so happy about that. He was so happy, and from there, boom, a lot of people actually keep featuring him. They started featuring him on their comedy skits. But you need to see it, Rukky is actually trending, and God bless Don Jazzy, for co-signing him. Alright guys, today's comedy is another hilarious one, hot banger for you guys. I'm not gonna waste your time, no more tell the talk. Alright, let's dive into this comedy.
Amuneke, where are you?
Mommy, I'm in the bedroom.
You're in the bathroom. Have I not told you?
Mommy.
Have I not told you that anytime you're in your bedroom, always lock parlor door? You will leave it open.
Mommy, I'm beating now.
If you are bathing, and so what? What have I not seen before?
I want
At the secondary school, I'm bathing. So what is that you're bathing? Please, whenever you're in your room, lock parlor door. Please show me which remote, which button did I turn on the TV downstairs?
It's the red button.
Okay, this red one. Chai! Nonsense. And you don't come and wash plate, oh. You come and wash. Your organic is too big, oh. But you're not using all these things, enlargement things, oh. Because even your father will not reach like this. At your age. Chai! Teenager don't get anyway, you pass adult. Must come and wash plate.
God have mercy upon us.
Be very careful what people do take, oh. Be very, very careful. It will cause cancer.
There's something I actually want to ask you. It's been on my mind for a very long time. But I'm a little bit nervous. Can I like call you back in 5 minutes?
Jesus.
Okay.
Bro, what's up you now?
Bro, I won't ask her out.
Now you won't tell her. Why you won't tell her for this?
I did fear.
You dey fear. That fine girl like this, where they die for you. Where if two of them are combined like this now, everywhere sweet. I'm not even just going around with all these girls up and down now. That girl makes sense, guy. My baby call me.
Let's have it.
Hello, babe.
I forget to on my mic.
Hey babe, I'm good. Where are you?
I'm chilling with Humble.
Okay babe, can you get something for me when you're coming back?
Okay. Something like what?
Like an iPhone 16.
iPhone 16?
Yes.
Okay.
What's going on here?
Alright, I'll get the iPhone 16.
Jesus.
And don't get it anywhere else aside from gadget cakes, please.
Gadget kicks.
Yes babe.
Babe, and there's a plaza here now. Must it be gadget kicks?
Yes, they're the only one I trust with my gadget.
Okay, well, gadget
The
kicks.
noise is too much, so I got to connect my.
I'll see you.
My babe.
Guy, not my baby.
Are you tell her say you be dey chill with me?
Don't see him, guy. We just dey talk. From talking, chilling now, you don't enter iPhone 16. This make I go gadget kicks, specific one.
You know life for that one. I know gadget kicks they be the best when it comes to like anything gadget they be the best.
They be the best.
They are the best though.
Okay, fine. But guy, that's what I'm trying to say. Just like this thing she asked for now. Now so it be for you and that babe.
Right.
You know, like this girl they call you now. She go need her own too. Just give her the gadget kicks doing. You know how she be now,
For real?
Yeah, for real. Just gotta give them the best, you know. Gadget kick the love. For real, bro.
She call me.
That's Aram now. That's Aram.
It's been 5 minutes already. I really cannot wait to hear the question.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you if you have a Netflix login.
I've told you, if you don't get married, you leave the house.
Okay.
I'm not the best man to get married. I'm tired of this man. You sound like a wife. No, now let love live.
Pastor, I'm doing my best.
You can do better. If you don't consider anybody, consider this your son. You see?
Dezny.
See, you are the wife. You should be submissive. So you think because the pastor came, there's not going to be? You know that. What is the problem? When you came to marry my sister, I told you. She has constoy.
So what is?
Are you playing? I brought drink. Please talk to your sister. Please talk to your sister. Please, You want to report me to your brother? No, you want your brother to fight me.
This man is a woman rapper.
Why the damn that thing are you marrying me?
Military came and they run. Native doctor call. They chased him out.
As your son, this whole situation is affecting my mental health. Don't you know that? Of course, it's okay to disagree occasionally as husband and wife. Think about our family.
So touching.
But you have to talk to your mother first. You have to talk to your mother first. You have to let her be a woman. She's not behaving like a wife. Are you the only woman? I don't want to talk to you again. Please, I don't want to talk. I'm tired. Let me just watch news.
Later that night.
I made your favorite. Or should I add more meat?
It's your meat that I want. I am leaving.
This is plain.
You know what to do. You are just making it look like you and somebody are fighting.
Look, let me say something before this guy talk intro finish. You see this kind of couple, they are the best couple. Like, they will never leave themselves. If their neighbor is expecting them to leave themselves, they will live all together. But you see that quarrel part, they can't do without it. And I want to balance the equation.
$5,000. Don't forget, you can also get free weekly bets and cash back.
We're hoping for the next banger, guys. Let's go, guys. Wonderful one from Crazeclown.
Rukky! It's my guy, yo. Thaedoboy. I mean, I do. What do you find come this side? Now this estate my babe they still now. This my girl now I can find for you. Yeah. Hi. You don't come out. Man, I just want you that side. Oh yeah, now family. You got that day now. Ah, damn. You know these things now. Okay. What am I doing, boy? Hey. Jesus.
You know the scene, right? Yeah, come on, please.
Even me myself that shock.
Babe, what's up?
What are you doing here?
I actually came to see a Thaedoboy.
Hi.
Hello. You know, it's
almost
And I've been calling you.
Oh, sorry, my phone has been on DND. What are you doing here?
I came to see my friend. I'm on my way back home.
You are going home already?
Yes.
Okay, and I will see you at home.
Let's go together now.
No, I'm not done with discussing with him. I will just...
My side chick.
No worry, make me my girl, just go house. Yeah, you come meet us later.
Yeah, oh yeah, now, bro. We'll cash now. Babe, let me just finish with what I'm discussing with him. I will join you at home. I will meet you at home. See how beautiful you are looking today.
They go.
All right, I will see you at home, man.
You are a bad boy.
Very bad. Somebody's baby already enjoying with her. How is it done?
Thaedoboy, have fun.
Okay, have fun. I don't go see
Me outside with my babe now. Which was
Fun myself.
that for your lab.
Okay, you got to see you get babe now. If you say they console, I still no console. I do for you since so.
If I get babe, see chair there now. She can sit down for a chair now. She got it with a sit down for your lab. This baby gets up.
What's the problem? Don't you have your own girlfriend?
Come on, get a guy enough to sit down on the slab. No more have fun now. Why you got to behave like this now? See, when you say they help me now, you'll bring the rice. You they help me now, but you'll bring the rice.
Why won't it rise?
Maybe this thing they think on it. If you're not there conceived for your mind, I say they stand on you.
Okay, this one not the intention now.
It's not intentional, and I can't wait till. Baby, please come, let's go.
I'm not going anywhere with you.
And the girl is angry with him.
You're not going.
You know
think
this
the
before?
girl are fool.
They say that you're not going. Please come, let's go.
I said I'm
When
not
you
going.
have
Leave me
your
alone.
girlfriend.
I'm breaking up with you. I'm not going. Leave me alone.
Break
Breaking
up.
up with me? Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Okay, give me the phone. Then. Please remove your left from the phone.
I trust Rukky. he's a no nonsense man.
You say you like me just like guy the girl crossing down for the block.
One night.
When she tell the church now, they go anywhere soon. We are carrying on. She go give you infection. I the Christian Morrible girl.
Okay, what?
So she has
Okay, infection.
And don't boy man don't come up from there. Rukky has spoiled everything. And it's over.
Even me myself that shock. Nah lie.
Doobie.
I like this girl. Shit.
I don't come for this house. What's happened? Money you don't give me. Food you don't give me. You want yourself to kill me for this house?
Calm it down.
I'm not doing it again.
Baby, now.
I'm going to kill you this
Go
man.
now.
I go see make a move.
Shut down. Who the Zuzu?
I'll send you the 10 million. Once I send you the 10 million, this is what you have to do.
Now, from that 10 million, buy me gift card from Angel Gift Card. Download the app from Apple Store or Play Store. They are fast and reliable, and their rate is very good.
Okay.
Yes.
From the 10 million, yes.
Hey, who are you?
Madam, I beg.
No, I
Madam,
don't
please
know
cover
you.
my shame, please.
I don't know
Cover my shit.
Madam, please. Madam.
You know me.
How do you expect her to listen to that?
Look at you. You're still broke. You think say life na Nollywood, abi? Yeah, man.
Madam, who are you?
What's going on here?
Babe,
On this one, the wipe.
I said, Madam, who are you?
Hey, Oga, I beg. I don't know say nothing.
Will you get out of my car?
Oga, I beg.
Go down.
Oga, I beg, not do me like this.
How can you disturb me
Go
at
down.
one happy moment?
No.
Get out of this car.
Which kind of happy moment did I get?
Who is this idiot?
Can you imagine?
Fake life.
How can you just confidently enter somebody's car because you want to live a fake life? Prove a point.
Festus, my
It's a
guy.
broke man. Boyfriend.
Festus, my man. Semego. You don't be mechanic, man.
Festus, you shall be mechanic now.
What did they do inside Spider?
Festus, you don't miss. So I know say you no go believe me, but let me get this car.
Shut up your mouth. Which one be na your car? Which one be na your car? No be of us they suffer for HK. Maybe yesterday I live on a run from HK.
As you dey come up from HK yesterday, na so chairman dey come back from Ghana.
Nala.
I dey tell you, as chairman just see us yesterday, na so he declare. No be drink o. Chairman declare one moro, one car for everybody because the pocket is full.
You don't mean it.
Yes. Wait o, Festus, are you cook that stew yesterday?
That's true. The vacation. I make cook now.
Hey, Festus! See, as chairman chop that rice and stew, chairman say the stew.
Normally.
Say if say see person wey cook that stew, say go carry am go back to London. I see they go back this morning.
What do you talk?
Yes, na.
Is that? I been where chairman dey like this.
Chairman dey road, they go airport.
Don't say London. London. I must catch up with him, man. I swear.
Jesus, why you?
What's going on here?
Ladies and gentlemen, contact Mr. Nnamdi so he will teach you how to make money from the comfort of your home.
What is wrong
through
with
affiliate
Nduka
marketing,
and that
digital
girl?
marketing,
You know, we're going to find out in this comedy. Stay tuned. I hope you're enjoying this comedy. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you love what you're watching, guys. Let's go.
Hey, man, come on. Jesus. What's up now? I don't know be this guy. I'm on my yago. I just went out for bed. They climb me. Why they climb me? Stop it, bros. What did they find a woman has? Bros, stop it like that. Bros, stop. Bros. People are beat up. They won't climb me. Wait. Am I baby now too? Nduka, how many times I don't call you? Nduka, avoid that girl where they call Winifred. Avoid that girl, oh. That girl, they get memory loss. I know that girl, mama.
I need to avoid them. I love them and we'll fix it.
Jesus, babe.
I'm not going to come out here. Bros, my mama been warn me. Anything to do for this life, try to obey your mama.
Your mama.
Come on there.
I beg avoid me.
Babe, I just forget. I'm so sorry. Babe.
Say you can fix it. Girls they don't born you. Nonsense. We're going to see what happened with YG Brown on this thing.
Where did they go? Thief.
Officer, the brought from my street. Metro Estate number 2, I beg.
Right. So how much you want to send now?
Yes! Officer, I'm 50K with me.
With Jimmy wait for your phone. Make 100K. You know say you be my son.
Child! Where the money I got for this ass? Freeze! If you move, I go shoot to tell the say you thief goat. If you move, make we send civilian to civilian. Wait, I move. Anything you see or do, we use against you because officer, thank you.
Police call rescue and rubber from Cowboy and arrest them all. They are mad.
Wait, I move. I'm not fast this statement and I start my investigation.
They all were arrested.
You sabi right?
What did you write?
Oh, so you write say you join court?
Yes, officer.
Which kind of court be this?
Officer, it's a social media platform that help you earn money just by posting your video, music or podcasts. And the app is on Play Store and App Store. Courts.
Oh, voila. You 200, that's 600K.
Hey! Officer, that one too much now.
You want go court?
Hey!
Officer, 620K?
Exactly.
You not pay for charges.
Charges. Charges. And it's true. Maybe not wife QS.
Neighbor, good morning.
Good morning.
Neighbor, I beg, if you borrow me any of your shoe, make I wear come out, I beg. By month end, I go buy my own. But the one where they use, they're very bad. Now even slipper self and they wear.
That won't be a problem. I'll go get them for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Chairman, thank you.
Okay.
My boss, I beg. I be one plead with you whether if you allow me to wear this your shoe from now till this month ending, where I go buy my own shoe, and then I go bring them for you. But if you no go work, I understand. You said don't try for me already.
No, that's not a problem. You can have it.
Chairman, thank you very much. Chairman, I beg. I no get one single water for house. If you help me with pure water, just borrow me, I go give you back.
Okay, give me a few minutes.
Somebody's watching me. It's my anxiety.
This will be okay for you, right?
Oh my God. Chairman, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Chairman, my God, no gonna allow you lack anything for this life.
Amen.
The type of shit I'm on, you wouldn't understand.
Chairman, good morning.
Good morning.
I beg, I feel borrow your phone.
My phone? What for?
I want use and download Crity app. I want start to go live. Make I join this their go live battle challenge when they do every week. Now another way where I feel use the end. Still they grow my audience and my influence. So as they go live, they battle with person. Once we live, they entertaining people go they give to my comments.
You go hold this one now.
Thank you very much. Chairman, your own no go ever spoil.
Okay.
As well, nobody this month end, all these things go stop.
It's going to end. How it's going to end?
Boy, talk now. What's they worry you? Guy, talk. I don't get time. I won't go upstairs.
You know, say since 6 months ago, whether my babe leave me, based on say I no come they see funds again. My life have been so miserable. Konji just day one corner. I never really come up Konji. I swear to God. But not be that won't be my problem. I just say recently now, these past few days. But they do me somehow. My daddy boy go just day. Go down. Not beside they ask for too much things from you, but I see your babe as he passed this morning.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Has he got into that?
I don't know that if you borrow me your babe.
You mad? You crazy? You want make a load you better slap? I don't tell you before. If you need help, come to me. I will help you. Calm down, make I go follow my babe talk.
Jesus! Chairman.
Yes?
God go bless you. But you know, see, what if your babe no get understanding like you?
If she no get understanding, I go break up with her.
I'll never see you.
Baby, be a good girl.
Neighbor, permit me to handle am.
You want to family person baby they still borrow you. Which kind of bad boy be this?
Judas, you sell precious pilots. You sell a BTC wallet.
I don't send them anything, no master.
Precious pilots is a drop as you sell a BTC wallet. Which business you have?
They won't betray you, my guy.
He won't give title.
He won't give title. Now you sell a BTC wallet. No say okay. Make the business and title. Make the business and tight. Because when they behave, I don't like him.
They won't
I don't like
corner.
You never give times finish. Well, no wahala. Una they stress me for this house. Una they stress me. Una they here.
Master, they make I talk to them. The OP no dey work.
OP.
The OP no dey work now. When they stress the wallet.
Drop the food for your face. I never really know what you they do. I never really know what you they do. You dey here? I never really know what you they do. BTC wallet. You they give Project Pele BTC wallet. Okay. Who cook this food? Namaka. Namaka cook this food. See, get one that they drag. This food one that taste so sweet. Now get one that be cook now to the drag. It don't make sense. Now we do as men. I beg, John, go roll up one this is for me. One side. Hey, everybody drop your spoon. Drop your spoon! To be happy for this house. Who come on for this go? Hey.
I thought you want to say something.
Blaq.
Oh no. Give him stone.
MJ, why they do like this now? You know, I never drop you go on that fan. You want to say the priest they carry me?
Thank you.
Nobody will not fit to make
I'm catching the best of all.
Amos! Who be Amos? Call me Dino Show God.
Show God!
Hey!
my juju dey cry. Who does this see the good?
Hey, what happened?
Waiting. So now when I thought that this boy take me come.
Therefore, now you need
Hey!
This one go advise him.
They know they spray money for this village. Is that even people who don't go make come? They know they come back.
They know they come back. I don't come back.
Jesus!
Papa, I know my beer.
What is that?
Jesus. You well?
Where is it going?
Kill? Want to kill yourself? Jesus.
Not you die.
Mas, I'm a twin brother and I die.
Oh, so where you dey go city go make am?
Amazi, I know they go city. Now village here now I want to make them.
What do they do for village where you want to make am?
See. I beg now.
I beg, no kill me. You want use question to find me? This man. See, in fact, village are dangerous. Most village very dangerous place.
Hi, Daddy.
Odagu, please.
Ifeoma, come here.
Alari, please, I'm coming up.
No, Yawa now.
Yeah? I find noted I don't see you that girl anymore.
No, she's my best
Shut up,
friend.
your mouth. What do you know about friendship? Look at the way she's dressed. Look at the way she's talking. You want her to spoil your life? You want her to spoil your life? I want her to go home. Ha! I want her to go home.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Alari, I don't know if... I want to make dinner for my daddy, so I don't know if you can go and come back tomorrow.
Talk to me direct, don't go through the corner.
Your papa talk say me you can't send me.
No, my daddy like you. No, he did not tell me anything. No.
I know Yawa now, I feel it. I don't forget. Our father to talk say me save me and my babe don't play. Say what I go take.
That's true. You take warm water and salt, but if you don't like that one, you can just go to any nearby pharmacy and buy Andrew liver salt. If you also don't want that one, you can just go to those people that sell agbo. Tell them you want to buy ogogoro pepper soup. What did I say?
Ogogoro pepper soup.
If it's more than 24 hours, just go and buy post-nut soup.
Okay, where I go see that post-nut too now?
Pharmacy now.
I share that one. Yami mori gbogbo go. I cherish you, go my love. Mori gbogbo. Eku. Otaga mi ni jojo. Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Abayeku. Swayaki. Jagwa.
Come here. I want the best for you. Stop following that girl. Don't last for your life. What did I say?
Stop following that girl.
Yeah. Be a good girl, eh? Yeah? Yeah, let's go inside.
What an ashewo!
What is Sam Skits learning? What is he learning? Ta. And the guy never even mind. You guys want to... Una get mind. Now person will be saying so ghost they chase them. Una want go thief in team. He is even running from the ghost. That's to say that the ghost don't even know how. The ghost don't even.
Please, I'm very hungry. Can you make me fried rice with 6 nails?
Ma, that's 56,600.
No problem. Just bring it.
How far show? That food for both of us. Who want pay?
Little, you go pay now.
God forbid. I know the other food for hotel.
Hotel with food cost.
When will they come? You know they say I branch buy food for mama no man. Suppose buy. You told me now they buy food for hotel.
So I no go eat now before I walk.
When they discuss price, we add food join them. You will be your scroll. You're not supposed to eat before I come out for us.
Jesus!
How far if you move? Now how can you still walk?
I swear. You don't tell her, I know. Now how can you do it? Just take a look at the shameless man. Look at the way he pushed her. Because you have a car. So the car is not even his own and he was pushing some. What? Two shameless people go cry, and I know the last comment of a fool. Now you go cry. Mackenzie says you push and I say, cash. Let's see on that comment.
Now the last day this
Let's see this one.
I'll go meet you. I don't. This is my cloth. I don't go arrange them. I don't even know.
Why tell us when I get this house? I beg.
Only today, 1 hour. No wahala.
Really thought you want to hug that beast.
Baby, this is the house you rented. Don't lie to me.
Everybody knows say I want me, I know them. Babe, okay. You remember that you gave me the money? I called this agent guy that gave me this place. So we are supposed to give me $1 billion for this.
Babe, I'll give that to you. But we have to hurry. My mom is waiting.
Okay, let's go.
No, babe, you can't wear this. Can you get something else to wear? You can wear this.
The earlier you learn to be who you are, the better it will be.
Not his size.
Okay, babe, let's go.
I love you. Do you love me, boo?
I can't wait for you to meet my mom.
Things you never seen me do.
When I take a step, you hear bang.
When I first watched this comment, I did not understand the part. Now I understand what they are. Now I understand what I'm watching. I didn't understand it at first. The cloth is oversized, not belonging to him. No say borrow house. Let's see this one from Johnny.
Sorry. Please, I really need your help with my car. It's not starting.
I like you.
Can you help me with my car, please?
Oh, your car?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Man. If you are a woman, you have a lot of advantages.
Oh, it's working. Thank you so much. I'm very happy.
I don't know have your number at least. Babe, what are you doing? Let's go.
I'm sorry, my love. I won't be long.
Do you want me to cry? I don't understand. Who is that?
Yes, my husband.
This is your husband.
Yes.
Why didn't he now help you?
I'm so sorry, my love. I'm coming. You know, like, he's my man, my sweetheart, my lover. Like, I don't like to stress him.
You both of them going to die.
But when you show me you are bad, I will tell you I am badder than you are baddest.
What nonsense talk.
I'm waiting now.
What about the hair you promised me now?
Now what for you? You cool down kwanu now, eh? Every day spoil you, they screenshot hair, they keep. Are you with us or against us?
That one is your business, so my birthday is close.
I beg.
Your phone is ringing.
Who's that?
Donatus.
Pick it, I beg. Hello, Donatus.
Hello, man, how you doing now?
I did fine.
Drop your account number, I want to send the money I did for you.
You know owe me again?
Yes.
Donatus, owe me, I beg, owe me.
Everything now 2 million, I go send them now.
Donatus, I said make it owe me.
No, make I send them.
The money actually came in the wrong time.
What be this? What be Jesus?
But you also have the right to tell her that you're not giving her. You fear her. Yes. Let's see this next one from Sunshine.
Okay.
Let's go.
There we go.
Give me a chance. I'm not cheap on those.
Where you go?
Hey. It's not the car. It's a generator.
What's the meaning of this?
You don't like it?
Generator for what?
Hey, come on, babe.
For light.
You don't usually have light. So, I just thought you needed it.
Babe, can you imagine? Bro, it's true.
Not correct. No go buy food. The Zuzu no go buy food. Somebody help your life. For this Nigeria generator and small.
Boss, I beg no first. Boss, you get power bank.
Oh, just now, enter Lagos. And I don't disturb me.
Boss, I beg no first. Just help me, Yes, guy, you that person, you know.
I get appointment with Davido.
Nah, lie.
You don't waste my time.
No fear. No, I will give you the power. No fear.
Funny Ima.
What? Make I see how many percent my power bank day.
You still charge, I say, you still charge.
Boss, which kind of be this now? 2 battery I don't give it, don't wow.
Boss, no verse, yeah. You know verse, I had tea.
What do you talk?
I say normal tea now, tea for tanks now.
What do be that?
Normal tea for tanks now.
Okay, tea for 10s. Boss, how many percent be your phone?
Let's have it. Nah, 99, you know.
Boss, let's go back.
Make I go back. Anything happen?
They go back.
Make I stop.
I will tell you when to stop.
Make I go.
Yes, here they go. W.
What's it be W?
W for what? You get off my power bank, they say T for 10s. When your phone down off, I'm going to bring my
T for 10s.
If they never arrest one of us where they say T for 10s, the rest no go learn.
Please help us. Sorry. Boss, bring her in.
Abi, you help me go collect 1 or 2 come and take dirty abi 1 kilo abi. You're one at 4 grams and 1 battery abi. Okay.
Russia cream.
Mr. Future.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir. Your wife just delivered a bouncing baby boy, sir.
Thank you, sir.
But the baby have refused to cry, sir.
The baby has refused to cry. Not my picking.
That one a small thing.
Sir?
DNA test. That's not my child. Hey! Not be my picking. DNA now. Straight. This one be my picking. No, that's not my baby. Let's run DNA test. Not be my picking be that. Now like 2 grams and vagina liver purchase.
Yes.
You do this. Check her. Maybe that. Yes, sir. Correct. My father like so. Ava, bring her come and roll up a belly giver. That's the last president of the cannabis politician.
God forbid bad thing. Let's see this guy. Moscow first son. Mimicking Moscow. It's actually good. Let's go.
Bro, Pepe, how are you?
But I'm not fine, no. Body pain don't finish me.
Ha! Oh, sorry. I understand what I'm going through. It's the work of God.
God of Jesus, take over.
Father, you get what I can't tell you.
What is the problem?
Father, you know, say, as I was coming a day for yesterday, but the reason I say, on I go Galilee. So, as I can't collect my balance.
Your balance?
Yes.
I thought I give it to Broda Mbappe to give it to you.
Broda Mbappe?
Yes.
I see the guy for road now. He didn't even like say give him anything. Made the come.
Better go check out on him.
Okay, Broda Mbappe. This is what is going to happen. Anytime I see Broda Mbappe, I will collect the money from him and I will give it to you.
No problem. Please do, sir. Body pain don't finish me.
He's talking like Moscow, I swear.
Oh, the guy is even here, sir. I'm gonna save my head.
Broda Mbappe, where is the money that I gave to you to give to Broda Mbappe?
Father, that money that you gave me yesterday,
Yeah, my guys. Go easy and go shy you.
You gotta trust man.
In fact, Jesus Christ don't pay for our debt. You guys not to refund the money.
Father, you dey hear the nonsense where this guy they talk about.
Very nonsense.
You dey hear the nonsense where this guy they talk about. And I flog me past that day.
You never see anything.
For the second time, this guy is a very anyhow person.
Pepe, please calm down.
Let's have it.
After all, we are doing the work of God.
Wow, Jesus.
Father, choose one.
I thought this guy was holy.
Nobody is holy. Nobody holy.
You know I love you.
I love you too, but you need to start going now. My daddy will soon be here. I don't want him to meet you.
Don't worry.
Hello, what's going on here?
Hey, Daddy, welcome.
Who is this?
Hey.
Shut up, Baba. Who is this? Who you be?
I'm a boyfriend.
A boyfriend? So you have a boyfriend? I am a choir. So you brought a guy into my house?
No, Daddy, he came.
Start speaking. Are you okay?
Jesus.
What are you doing here?
I like your daughter, sir.
Are you okay? I'm in front of me. You are saying you like my daughter. Are you mad?
I have money. I will give you money.
Is your money my money? Are you okay? Is it my wife talking to me like that? What do you mean you have money? Are you mad?
Pay your OP, sir.
How do you know I use OP? Can you see finish? See finish. See finish. Now. Okay, put you yourself. OP 22445568. You see my name there now?
I just sent you 500,000.
500,000?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. God bless you.
Yes, sir.
You can shut up, my brother. You mad? I'm talking to my visitor. I have family. Like, that's okay. So, what do you do for a living?
I sell casket.
Casket?
Yes, casket.
So, if people do not die, you don't make money.
So, sir, that's what I do.
Get out from this place. Get out from this place.
Get out. Tomorrow, remind me. Let me send you free casket because you will need it.
Why?
Because any suitor that stopped me from dating or marrying their daughter, I end up needing my casket the next day.
You mean I would die?
No, something like that.
Hey, come here now. Come now. Public pay. Come, be coming now. You are quick to vex. Go ahead and say, she's your wife. I give her to you.
Thank you, sir.
Go ahead and say.
As a matter of fact, I will be giving you a 1 million allowance every month.
God bless you, my son. Kuku kiss me. I like you.
Thank you, sir.
I like you already.
Thank you, sir.
Papa, when this day go pray.
This is the worst thing that can ever happen to anybody, honestly. Well,
Jesus! Jesus!
God have mercy.
Hey! 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 No shout. Oh my God, that was nonsense from that guy. So guys, I hope you understand why I had to, put voice effect on the background music, trying to avoid copyright claim.
That's my house. Oh, that's your house? Yeah. Sorry. Can I have your number?
For what? I don't understand. Just because you help me carry my bag, do I look like your mate? See this street boy. You're very stupid.
No. Street boy is not enough. Street boy.
Oh my God! 247. Every day. You come.
Like, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys. And please, I am not going to waste any of your time. If you love this comedy, like it. Subscribe if you've not. Share this comedy and comment. Comment, please. Alright, guys. Like, does this kind of thing really happen in real life? Like, helping a girl and requesting for a number, and at the end of the day, she will end up insulting you. Does this kind of thing happen? She will insult you without any manner of approach. Like, is it actually happening? Like, does it happen? Like, if it happen, I don't understand. Well, guys, I think that was what I'm gonna ask for. That is what I want to say. But I know there's no review today, so we're gonna see you guys on this comedy compilation. This one is already a banger, and I know you know it. Alright, guys, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.